Hi, my name's Mark from Hot D, and I've done a video for you today to talk to you about what are the costs of a hair replacement system. So the costs are fairly straightforward. I'm going to go over the basic costs. This is about with any kind of bespoke intervention with people wanting very specific systems to be fitted with specific details. So there's lots of things we can do to systems to enhance them. But we have a go-to system that we offer, and we find we get some great results from that. So there's a couple of things. So a one-off system for someone is £750. We'll get that out there straight away. And what we get for £750 is we get the system itself. We'll order that in. When that arrives, we then get you in for the fitting. And the fitting can take up to 4 hours, and you've got about another hour for the consultation. During that time, what happens is we take a template of the head, we transfer that template into the system itself, and we cut the system out so that fits bespokely to your head. We then glue that on and then give you a haircut for that. So that's all included into there, and any training that you need for maintenance. And we also throw some goodies in there to kind of help you with your first maintenance cycle. So £750 for a one-off system to be fitted onto you. We also do a yearly sort of service contract where it's £2,500, and you get up to 3 systems in a year, and you get 12 visits to the salon for the maintenance cycles, and you get given anything you'd need in between for styling. And for any kind of lifts that may occur, any problems, like a little emergency kit, if you will. So the 2 prices there. Moving on, if you wanted to just come in for a maintenance cycle and a haircut, that's £69. And we also offer a dyeing service to colour the hair for £20. The reason we would do that is sun and lifestyle, things like chlorine, C, etc. Can affect the colour of the system. So we dye it, that's £20. We just run a semi-permanent colour through the system. If it's got any greys in the system, that doesn't get dyed because greys in systems are synthetic. The rest of the hair isn't, that's real, it's natural, so we can dye that. So there are some costs associated for hair replacement systems. I hope that's answered some questions. Thanks very much for watching.